I'm ready too. I'm ready too for Christmas. Okay, so I think that most of y'all know who I am. But for the very few of y'all that don't know who I am, I'm Mr. Wally. I work here as one of the janitors. And we have an awesome special treat for y'all today. Yeah, I know. Yeah, y'all get excited. That's cool. That's cool. And the thing is, I don't believe any faculty or staff member has ever done this. So y'all get to be a part of Hathaway history. Y'all get to be the first to witness this and that. So, let's see, what was I going to say next? Okay, so, who has ever, with the raise of hands, who has ever heard of a ventriloquist before? Whoa, a few of y'all? Okay, who has not heard of a ventriloquist? Okay, so we got half and half here, okay. So, I'm going to give y'all just a tiny little demonstration of what's going to go on today. I'm going to need one of y'all's help. I need somebody who has a coat or a jacket, or you have a coat or a jacket on. I promise I'll give it back to you. You? Oh, can I borrow it, please, ma'am, please? Oh, you're so sweet. So what's your name? Hey, I love that name. That's a pretty name. All right, so I'm going to just need to borrow your little hoodie jacket right there. Okay, so I'm going to give you just a little demonstration of what this is. So I'm going to take Ada's hoodie here, and I'm going to take the arms, I'm going to fold them in like that. I guess I can use my stand here. Be a little easier. And I'm going to roll this up right here. Ooh, look what we got here. Oh. Hey, hi. Okay. I am my daddy. No, I'm not your daddy. Oh, coochie. You can take it back. So that's what a ventriloquist does. Stuff like that. And your name's Ava again? Ava. Okay. Thank you so much for helping me out, sweetie. Thank you. This is for you. Don't spoil your lunch now, okay? Okay, so listen. With that being said, I brought a very special friend, and boy, is he special. So I'm going to see if he's ready, okay? Hey, buddy. Hey, Mr. Ollie. You ready to go in? No, not just yet. Okay, buddy, okay. All right. So while my special friend is getting dressed here, I want to go over just a few little ground rules, okay? So number one, it's not the most popular, but it's important. This is extremely important. So what I need y'all to do is to not disturb your neighbor, to not talk to one another or talk out loud. Now, throughout this program, we might ask you a few questions. You can answer then, and that's fine, but just be respectful to your neighbor in that. And number two, this is my favorite one. And if you, I need to silence my phone here. Hold on, guys, hold on. Definitely can't have no interruptions during this. Apologize about that. So number two is there's going to be a lot of jokes. A lot of jokes. So if you want to laugh, if you think it's funny, please feel free to laugh. You know, y'all want to have a good time. I want to have a good time. Hey, we all want to have a good time, huh? Yeah! All right. I want to have a good time. Ooh, I think my friend is ready. Hey, buddy, you ready? Yeah, man, let's do this, girl. Okay. Good to go? Yeah, let's rock and roll. Oh, hi! Hi! Hello! You know what, man? These people, they act like they've never seen a blue guy before. All right, thank you, Mr. Hall. You make me look good, I'll make you look good. Thank you, brother, thank you. Oh, hold on, I gotta fix my hair real quick. You know, one time, Wally right here, he was playing his guitar, and I was like, yeah, rock and roll, man, yeah! And I looked up and I was like, oh, Wally dog, look at that. I don't ever have to comb my hair again. Hey, cutie pie. How are you doing? Waldo. All right. So, Waldo, first things first. What's your name? You already know my name. Well, most of these people right here, they have no clue who you are, man. Oh, that's right. Like Mr. Ollie just said a while ago, my name is Waldo. Yep, that's right. Waldo. I think they like me already. I think they do, buddy. Yep, and this is my really good pal, Mr. Wally. I love this little guy. Thank you for the semi-sincere shout-out, Waldo. But listen, hey, whenever we're around the kids, here's the thing, buddy. So we can be a good example. You may want to call me Mr. Wally. I'll consider it done. Man, this is easier than I thought. I know, right? Hey, can I call you Uncle Wally? I don't see a problem with that. All right. So, since we're related now, Uncle Wally, for Christmas, I want a BMX bike, I want a VR headset, I want a pair of AirPods. Okay. Don't abuse the privilege now, all right? Okay, I'm sorry. It's okay. Can I have a sip? Sure. He's drinking for two today. Oh, boys. You crazy, man. Yep. That's what they tell me. All right, buddy. So, let's see here, Waldo. Tell everyone where you're from. Your house. That's true. So, what do you do? here? Wait, Mickey Mouse? Mickey Mouse? No, I said Miss Mickey was going to be here. Mickey Mouse is a girl? No! She's a teacher. Oh, geez. Talk about miscommunication here. So, where is Miss Mickey? Let's see. There she is! Hey, Mickey! Oh, yup. Yep. I sound like Goofy? Uncle always looks like Goofy. Hey, Waldo. I'll tell you what, though. She looks a lot better than Minnie now. Oh. Hey, tell me that again. She looks a lot better than Minnie now. So, hey, listen. While we're talking about the teachers, there's Miss Debbie right there. Oh, does she have any snack cakes? Huh? Yeah, little Debbie snack cakes. She sure does look little. She's definitely not fat. You big charmer, you. Yep, that's me. Hi. Okay, so, hey, look, check it out. My co-workers over there. Hi, how's it going? Nice. Hey, check your germ. So, y'all are the three people that got to put up with this guy, huh? Oh, I feel so sorry for y'all. Oh, gee whiz. I'll say a prayer for y'all. Yeah. So let's see who else we got. Let's see who else. There's Miss Renee right there. Oh my gosh. At first glance, I thought she was Mrs. Claus. Just a little more trivia, you know. I was going to go up there and say, hey, I know I wasn't the best person all year. I know I wasn't really that good, but could you put in a really good word for your husband and get me the new Xbox system? Wait, hold on. What? When did you do that was so bad this year? I ate your Doritos. Rats, I just put on myself. Hey, so that's what my Doritos meant, huh? Hey, I'll forgive you, buddy. Oh, really? Yeah. Oh, well, since you're in such a forgiving mood, I did something else. What did you do? I clocked your toilet. And how did you manage to do that? 8 in these Doritos. No, Waldo. Anything else you want to confess? No, nothing at all. Nothing whatsoever. Okay, sure. Just don't look underneath her bed. Wait, what'd you do? Hey, isn't that Miss Amanda right there? Hi! Wait, hold on. How do you know her? Well, I don't personally know her, but I hear she's like really good with helping out kids and collecting cash. Oh, that's good. Yep, this one time, a kid had a quarter stuck in his throat, and somebody hollered out, hey, hurry up, go get Miss Amanda. She can get money out of anybody. Yep. She's 32. Okay, Okay, so let's see what we're going to do next. Okay, buddy? Okay. All right. What we're going to do here, Mr. Ollie, what we're going to do. Can you help me out, Mr. Leonard? What was Mr. Ollie going to do? What was he going to do? Let's see. There's something else I wanted to do. What was it? Wait, didn't you say Mr. Tyler was going to be here? Mr. Tyler! Oh, So you want to be a basketball coach and a principal? No. I want to be tall and handsome. So hey, listen, Waldo. I was thinking, man, what event is coming up? Your birthday. No, that was yesterday. Ah, happy late birthday, you old geezer. Waldo, come on. Let me tell you how old Mr. Ollie is. When Mr. Ollie was born, dinosaurs still roamed the earth. Oh, no. Come on, buddy, I'm not that old. You could have fooled me. Oh. Okay, no. Yeah, my birthday came up, but what else? The honey-do list that Joanna set up for me for Christmas party. Oh my gosh, they got that joke. I'm pretty shocked. Please don't remind me of that. I'm not looking forward to that. But no, you said a certain word in there that's coming up. Think real hard. Okay, I'll just say it for you then. Okay, thank you. Sure, look at that. Oh, thank you, man. So Christmas is coming up. Oh, yeah, I knew that. Okay. And so I figured that we could sing Christmas songs. Well, I got a really good one. Oh, Grandma got grandmother by a reindeer. Coming home from our house Christmas Eve. You may think Christmas in the sunset. All right. No, but I was thinking that, I got a really good one too. And another one. Oh boy. This one's more of a classic. Let's see here. Oh, jingle bells, Batman snails, Robin laid an egg. Batman bells, Hey, wait, hold on. So I'll tell you what, before we do what we're going to do you have like any special skills or do you have any special talents? I can make you ask questions. Really? And how do you do that? I just did it. Oh, hey boys. Ooh, give me a drink. Okay. Thank you, sir. All right. And I can win in the staring contest. I'll believe that. Well, is there anything else you can do? Absolutely. I can sing out ABCs. Really? That correct. Oh, this I gotta see. Okay, here we go. A, D, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Oh my God. And now I know my ABCs, so la-di-da. All right, I wasn't expecting that, but okay. But hey, listen, I figured that we can read for the kids. We can read a book about the Three Little Pigs. Well, I was thinking hey, you know what my favorite part about the Three Little Pigs is? I don't want to know. Well, I'm going to tell you anyways. Little pig, let me in. Thank you. That was my debut right there. Well, Waldo, listen. I figured you could read a book about snowman. Frosty? No, not Frosty, man, but this snowman, his name is Sneezy. Alright, Sneezy, the snowman, sneaks all day and all night. He looked at me and then he said, the Zoom call, buddy. Oh, thank you. Okay, but here's the thing, Waldo. Okay? We are going to need one extremely brave, heroic, courageous person to help us out. Well, what do you want them to do? Sign up for the army? No, buddy, no. You'll see, though. But listen, Your thumb? Oh, you're such a cute little fella. I'll tell you what, Buck, this is so simple. So, you see this duck right here? All you gotta do is hold the duck.
Can you turn the page, Michael?
I'll tell you what, so it's a little bit easier on Mr. Uncle Wally here. I want y'all to come on this side, if y'all don't mind. Oh, give me a sec. Okay. Thank you. Oh, there you go. Yeah, you said the seat. Okay, nice.
Hey, Michael, turn and face me.
Yep, I gotta read it. So what it is just hold the duck.
Can you hold it?
There you go.
Just like that.
You gotta hold it out real close. Mr. Wally can't see that well. Hey, come on, buddy. Okay. All right, so this story is called Sneezy the Snowman. All right, nice. Okay, so listen up, guys. Listen up. So Sneezy the Snowman shivered. Arrgh. It's cool out here, that's for sure. I need a drink to warm me up, so you can turn it. Oh, show them the pictures. Yep. Show them the pictures there. Oh, yeah. So he drank cocoa from a cup. He said with a smile, I like this a lot. And then right there, believe it or not, okay, yep, let's show the pictures. There we go. He melted drinking something too hot, and children cried out, what should we do? A voice from the puddle said, make me brand new. Is that what Sneezy really sounded like? Something like that, I guess. Okay. Dude, you are like totally sweating. Oh, okay. Sorry, bro. Okay, so they rebuilt Sneezy as snowflakes flew. A cold winter wind shivered and blew. Brrr. Okay, you can show the pictures for the kids. All right. You can flip the page there, buddy. Okay, so as Snowman sneezed, the giant achoo! God bless you. Thanks. I'm sneezing and freezing and shivering too, a little girl said. Then let's share. I have something that you can wear. Here's my hat to put on your head. Okay, you can show them the pictures. Okay, so you look awesome, the children said. The snowman blinked his cold black eyes. The stocking cap was a nice surprise. They're seeing the same picture, I guess. Okay, it's okay. Okay, so, but Sneezy the Snowman shivered. It's cold out here, that's for sure. I am freezing every minute. I'll find a hot tub and sit right in it. So he found one and smiled. I like this a lot. And then right there, believe it or not, show me pictures. Yep, show me pictures there, buddy. There you go. Good. All right. Now face this way and let's turn the page. Okay. So he melted from sitting in the water too hot. The children cried out, what should we do? Oh, not yet. So a voice from the hot tub said, make me brand new. That was better. Oh, thank you. Okay, so they rebuilt Sneezy as snowflakes flew. A cold winter wind swirled and blew. Show them the picture. Yeah. I'll tell you what, you're doing a lot better job than Mr. Ollie will do. All right, let's see what's next. Okay. So the snowman sneezed a gigantic achoo! You literally sneezed for me. I'm so sorry. I forgive you, buddy. Thank you. Okay, so, gotta read it to them, right? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sneezing and freezing and shivering too. A little boy said, "Then let's share. I have something that you can wear. Here's a scarf that's red and blue. I think it would look great on you." Good job. Thank you. So the snowman blinked his cold-black eyes. The colorful scarf was a nice surprise. You can show them the pictures. Yay. Yep. I'll tell you what, that's got to be like the longest carrot I've ever seen. It is pretty long. Oh, yeah. Okay, let's see what happens next. So it went very well with the long pink hat. The children said, anybody want to guess? How about that? Good job, good job. But Sneezy the snowman shivered. Brrr. It's cold out here, that's for sure. I need to feel some warmth on me. There's a campfire by that tree. Where's the tree at? Oh, man, it's outside. Oh, yep, there it is. Okay. All righty, so let's see what happens next. He said with a simple, "Ooh, I like this a lot." And then right there, believe it or not, he melted from standing beside something hot. The children cried out, "What shall we do?" A voice from the puddle said, "Make me brand new." They rebuilt Sneezy as snowflakes flew. A cold winter wind swirled and blew. All right. So how are they going to come back this time? Well, let's see, buddy. Let's see. So the snowman sneezed a gigantic. Will you please stop sneezing on me? I'm sorry. Okay. The snowman. No, I'm not reading that again. Good job. Thank you. So he said, "I'm sneezing and freezing and shivering too." A little girl said, "Then let's share something. I have something you can wear. Here's my coat, a perfect fit. I know that you'll look good in it." The snowman blinked his cold black eyes. The bright orange coat was a nice surprise. Yep, he's got an orange coat on right there. So it went very well with the scarf and hat. The children said, "How about that?" Okay, show me the pictures, buddy. All right. Okay, you can turn back now. All righty. Okay, let's see what's next on the next page right there. But Sneezy said, "Phew, I'm way too hot. I'll take off all these new clothes I got." You can show me the pictures. All right. See, he's sweating. Yep, just like you. Hey. Ooh, this is my favorite part. So the children yelled, "No, that's not the way. Listen to what we gotta say. There's something cold at the ice cream store." Ooh, I love ice cream. Ooh, me too. Yeah, I can tell. Hey, come on, man. Have 2 scoops, or 3 or 4. I want 7. Okay, you can turn around, buddy. Good job, good job. You rock, man. Okay, so Sneezy ate ice cream 7 scoops high. Oh, this is great, the snowman cried. I'm not too cold, and I'm not too hot. And I'm wearing clothes I like a lot. Then after eating every bite, ooh, last page. He said, "At last, I feel just right." Show me the picture, buddy. Yay! Give it up to Michael. Hey, give me my card, buddy. My card. Thank you, man. Hey, we got something for you. Hold on, buddy. Hold on. Mr. Always got to get it out of his pocket if he can. He's only got one hand today. John, if you can help him out, if you don't mind, his right pocket, I think. Yep. Woody, oh, nice. Yeah. Can I have the bite? Okay, don't spoil your lunch, okay? So Waldo, what? I think we all know, but what was your favorite part of the story? Ice cream. I figured that. Yeah. Can we get ice cream after this? Well, I suppose we can. Yay! All right. I want cookies and cream. Okay. So, did you learn anything from the story? Yep. Never get a snowman hot cocoa or a hot tub. Yeah, that's true. I do really believe the big moral of the story is be friends with everyone. Be friends with everyone. Help them out if you can. Oh, kind of like do unto others as you would have them do unto you. So, in simple English, treat others like you want to be treated. Yeah, man. Yeah, dude, I like that, man. I like that. Really good. I like it. Oh, thank you, dear kind sir. Well, okay, y'all. This is the point where we have to bid you a farewell, and we're going to have to go. But listen, all listen. This is what I want you to do, okay? Now, I want you to tell these kids some really good life lessons that you went through that you could pass down to them. All right. Let's see. If you eat Taco Bell, make sure you're right next to the toilet. I don't think they know what Taco Bell is. Okay. Let's see. I'll tell you. Oh, I got a real good one. When you get older and you go shopping at Walmart, never go on an empty stomach. Oh, that's pretty good. You got any more? I think just one more. Okay. If Mr. Jeremy asks you to pull his finger, run! All right. Wish everybody a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, Waldo. Merry Christmas! Happy New Year! Can I come back sometime? Woo! Yeah, all right. I love you guys. Y'all rock. Yeah. Good back to my house. Okay. I gotta wash my shirt. Oh, Joanna messed up my hand. I gotta wash my shirt Sesame Street. Okay, go ahead, buddy. Okay. Bye, Waldo. Bye, Waldo. Bye. Man, thank you all very much for coming out, guys. I really appreciate it. I had a great time with y'all. I hope y'all had a great time. And y'all are good to go.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas and have a Happy New Year, y'all.